We are pleased to show you the 2019 RDX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof. Inside you'll find rear view camera, power seats, heated seats, Bluetooth, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer.
When purchasing an Acura Certified Pre-Owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura Certified Pre-Owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.